Hey, what's up, my millionaire brother? So, what's going on? The crypto market is totally lost. Yes, first of all, I tell you clearly to the crypto market is totally and the loss, and especially Dogecoin also. And the last 1 hour, just last one day, they gone down. Why they gone down? Today we discuss you, but some holders tell me to this is selling time. Are you crazy? Tell me, are you crazy? This is selling time. Someone tell me, no, please, someone tell me this is selling time. If you are not mad, if you have any experience, then you cannot say this is selling time. So let's see. I prove at this video to this is not a selling time. So let's start this price prediction without any time waste. But I request you to please subscribe our YouTube channel for guiding. I guiding you. If you are new, I have 3 year explain experience. So I also share my opinion in this video. Let's get started the Dogecoin price prediction. Dogecoin as one of the fastest cryptocurrency. Remember every holder. This time, if you can see here, the last 24-hour result has gone bad, absolutely gone bad. Therefore, a lot of holders, some holders tell me on my Instagram to please what we do, tell me what we do, sell or buy. If you are cannot follow me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram. The link is in my channel, or to just go on my channel, the link is available. Okay, so if you can see this time the chart occur and negative minus 8.21%. This is very high change. All holders it's right because he see this type result, then absolutely everyone understand too. I think we are gone and losting, so then we absolutely you are also right, my friends, but I guide you to what you do. Okay, so keep watch this video. If you can see here, the result has totally gone steadily, but sometimes they gone very badly down. Why they gone badly down? Sometimes if you can see on the chart, this point is very bad especially, but they take again jump, they jump like a Spider-Man, they gone like a rocket. So my brother, you can see here the price also decreasing on day by day, but I don't know why they decreasing. I think this is the special reason as that this is the start of month and every cryptocurrency has gone down. So let's see to what's going on in the last 7 day result. The last 7 day result is also very important. So guys, if you can see here the last 7 day result, therefore I tell you to don't sell it. Okay, you can see here the last changes as very good, plus 18.81%. This is very good change. You can see here they're gone up like a rocket, but absolutely this time you can see here they're gone down. So this does not mean to use sell it, please. The last 1 hour, the last 1 day result has gone bad, so this does not mean to use sell it. Please remember this. Okay, everyone understand too, when cryptocurrencies going up, then people starting buying, but sometimes they going down, then a lot of people starting selling, and then because he want to be safe from loss. Okay, so this is a good decision, but I think this is the one good tip to you. If all people going to sell it, then you buy it. This is, I think this is good tip for a millionaire. Oh, yes, they make you a millionaire. Absolutely, they make you millionaire if you follow this tip. Please, if people starting buying, then you sell it. If people starting selling, then you buy it. Okay, this is good tip for you. I also follow this tip, and especially sometime, not every time, anytime. Okay, so follow sometime, not anytime, because this is a very critical tip. So please follow us and a lot of some special videos. Okay, so let's see to what's going on in the last 1 hour, and then we decide to this is selling time or buying time, my friend. Now, if you check out the last 1 hour result, I think the last 1 hour result absolutely and negative. You can see here the last previous 24-hour result has also gone bad, and the last 1 hour also gone bad. But I hope in upcoming days they're going up like a rocket. So if the result has gone bad this time, you can see here this does not mean to use sell it. Please hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope this video is gone especially very informative for you. So hope you enjoyed it. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, if this video is informative for you, and also subscribe our YouTube channel for latest informative videos. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.